Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with the essentials. Park level and apply the parking brake, then put the key to on without starting the engine so modules are awake. Once done, remove the lower dash and the shift bezel using a T20 or trim tool. This exposes the indicator and wiring. Make sure to disconnect the battery negative for 1 minute to avoid shorting sensors while you work. This protects the PCM and prevents accidental airbag faults. It also lets you safely access the shift indicator assembly and connectors. Next, loosen the shift indicator's retaining screws just enough to allow small movements. Don't strip plastic threads by removing them entirely. You'll rotate or slide the plastic indicator plate so the lit segment centers over each gear marking. This aligns what the dash shows with the actual gear gate position. While adjusting, have a helper slowly move the shifter through gears so you can fine-tune. Once aligned, snug screws, reconnect the indicator plug, and reapply battery power to live test the display before putting trim back. Finish by reassembling the bezel and lower dash, tightening screws snugly. Over-tightening cracks plastic. Then cycle the key and take a short drive, confirming that the indicator matches each selected gear under real movement. If the reading drifts or is still off, inspect the shifter linkage for play, check the shift position sensor harness for bent pins, and, if equipped, recalibrate the module via the vehicle settings or a scan tool. A quick tip: intermittent errors often mean a loose connector or dirty sensor contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.